BJP MLA from South Shillong constituency Sanbor Shullai has proposed amendments to Meghalaya Minor Minerals Concession Rules 2016 in response to the recent closure notice affecting small-scale mining operations during a zero-hour notice. Shullai emphasized the importance of small-scale mining for local livelihoods and the adverse effects of commercial vehicles owners due to the increasing permit costs. He urged the state government to revise the rules to facilitate small-scale mining under the mining leases and quarry permits.
I would like to suggest the government to harden the mechanism of concession rules 2016 with a request to amend the rules for grant of permission for small-scale mining under mining lease or quarry permit. 2. Such exemption can be given to small-scale areas and government can fix areas of small-scale mining. 3. Exemption for use of heavy machinery for small-scale mining.